but considering IP, what will be the issue? That patent disputes related to that, then licensing frameworks related to that, ethical implications will be there. So all such issues will come with the IP landscape. And if you see that NIH, which is like USA funding agency, which is investing a lot, Harvard is investing, MIT is investing in this particular technology, right. So we can say the leaders in the pharma market, leaders in the research institutes, we can say research related activities, when the organization, academic and research organization, everybody is participating in this particular research, and obviously they will definitely come with some products or some kind of a solutions to handle the challenges which we are facing, considering that biological or life sciences related, like that any virus, bacteria or any physiological related challenges whatever are there. Okay. So some case studies